Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about the highest monthly dividend pay in YieldMax stocks for 2025. I'll also share insight to what factor consider when choosing dividend pay in stock, how you can potentially enhance your investment portfolio. So stay tuned, valuable information that can help make informed investment decisions. Guys, number one is CONY stock, CONY. CONY is an actively management that fund seeks to generate monthly income selling writing call option on coin. The YieldMax CONY stock ETF stand out the exceptional investment opportunity for those looking to enhance their income portfolio. With an impressive and unmatched dividend payout in the currently hold that title for highest dividend in the market. The present compelling chance investors capitalize their returns and rewarding way. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. You explore the potential on the CONY stock ETF and take a significant step toward achieving your financial goal. As of today's stock price, CONY is $14 US and ex-dividend. For December 2025, CONY has a dividend yield max 141% and paid $20 per share in the past year in dividend paid every month. Guys, number two is a ULTY stock. ULTY is an active management ETF that aim generally monthly income through portfolios covered all strategy on the US list security. The YieldMax ULTY stock ETF investment opportunity that appeals to invest aiming enhance their income portfolio. The exchange trade fund primarily focus on utility stocks which is known for their stability and reliable dividend. By investing in YieldMax ULTY ETF, investor can potentially benefit from the consistent income generation. And also gaining exposure to essential services that are less sensitive economic fluctuation with the strategy investment approach and strong historical performance. The ETF attract option those looking to achieve both the growth and income their investment strategy. As of today, stock price of $9 US. Dividend date December 2024, dividend yield 91%. ULTY has a dividend yield 109% and paid $10 per share the past year. The dividend is paid every month. Alright guys, number three is a TSLA stock, TSLA option income strategy ETF, TSLY and active management fund 6. Generate monthly income by selling right call option TSLA. The YieldMax TSLA stock ETF presents a unique investment opportunity for those looking to boost their income portfolio. This exchange trade fund ETF focus on delivering factor income through diversified portfolio of the stock while also incorporating innovative strategy to maximize yield. Ideal for income focused investor TSLI ETF provide not only capital appreciation but also a steady stream of the income. This approach positioned at appealing option individuals seeking enhance their financial growth while managing risk effectively. TSLA stock price $16 US. TSLA has a dividend yield 65% and paid $10 per shares in the first year. The dividend paid every month and last ex-dividend date was November 29, 2024. Alright guys, number four is AMDY stock, the YieldMax AMD stock ETF provide investment opportunity individuals seeking enhance their income portfolio. This exchange rate fund focus a high yield stock aiming delivery attract return through both capital appreciation and regular income distribution by investing in diverse range of companies across various sectors. AMD ETF 6 might get risk while maximizing potential earning. Whether you are a seasoned investor just starting ETF and valuable additional your investment strategy, you capitalize market opportunities while aiming income growth. As today, AMD stock price $9 US and ex-dividend date December 2024. Dividend is 35%, annual dividend $3.65 US. Guys, number five is the MRNY stocks. The YieldMax MRNY stock ETF offers a remarkable investment opportunity for the 2025 portion itself and the attractive option investor looking to enhance their portfolio. The focus maximize yield potential in the dynamic market. It stand out due to carefully curated selections of the stock and strategy management. Investors can expect potential significant returns while being from innovative approach distinguish YieldMax from the investment vehicles. MRNY stock price $4.98 US and today's stock price ex-dividend date in December 2024, dividend yield 51%. Alright guys, these are the top 5 stocks within the highest monthly dividend payout YieldMax 2025. These companies are recognized for their attractive return investment through regular dividend payment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.